Today, we are debuting the new 2025 Ford Expedition and giving you a first look at this all-new vehicle. This is a world debut, and I cannot wait to tell you about all the new technology, versatility, and capability. And speaking of capability, there's a brand new Expedition Tremor for the first time ever. But I want to start out with the Platinum Ultimate Package. I mean, this is really the ultimate in luxury. You've got a beautiful grille that is black, but it also has the satin chrome surround that lines out that LED light bar nearly perfectly. But one of the brand new features that Ford is going to be covering on this new vehicle is the new split tailgate. Now, this is designed to be a hangout space, whether you're tailgating or whether you want a reconfigurable cargo management system. It's designed to do all of those different things. I mean, that cargo management system can be used as a table, or you can flip it around and use it as a seat back when you're doing that tailgating. In addition to that, this new split tailgate system is going to be perfect to keep all of those groceries from falling out of the vehicle when you're parked on an incline or just if you have too much crap back there. But without question, my favorite feature of this new split gate system is going to be that the top hatch is not nearly as long as it was in the previous version of the Expedition. And because it's not nearly as long, you can actually park in a low garage space and you don't have to worry about damaging that tailgate when you open it all the way up because you've got a little bit more headroom. And I love that. Now, I want to talk about a world's first. This new Expedition has the world's first available 24-inch wheels from an OEM. And speaking of 24 inches, you've also got a panoramic digital display, which means you have a 24-inch screen right there in front of you for the instrument cluster. In addition to that instrument cluster, Ford has got an all-new digital experience system that was built by Android for Ford specifically. I mean, this thing is light years ahead of the current sync system. You've got internet services, you can watch YouTube, you can play games, you can even hook up an Xbox controller to this whole infotainment system, in addition to the normal Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But moving on in the interior, you've got a brand new sliding front center console. Now, I don't know how they figured out all this center console wizardry, but it allows for storage access for the first and second row of the vehicle. To accomplish this, Ford has moved that shifter up higher right next to that volume knob, and that's going to give you the extra storage and space that you need to basically hide your paraphernalia in the front version of the center console. But anyways, I do want to say that if you want to order a new Expedition at invoice pricing, you need to call our friends at Town & Country Ford. They're offering guaranteed invoice pricing on all Expedition orders. Now, I want to talk about the Stealth Performance Package, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this trim level because we are coming out with a video that will cover every single option on every single trim level. And if you want to watch that video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that content. But what happens on this Stealth Performance Package? You've got a blacked out grille, really nice LED light bar, very similar to what you'll find on that Platinum Ultimate Package. And you also have blacked out mirrors, blacked out lower front fascia, blacked out everything. Basically, it does a great job of getting rid of all of the chrome. But I will say my favorite trim level, hands down, is the new Tremor version of the Expedition. This is supposed to be the most capable Expedition ever made. Four-wheel drive automatically, underbody shielding, bash plates basically. You even have 33-inch general grabber all-terrain tires. And because of that, best-in-class ground clearance, and one of my favorite things, the gold accents, which the Tremor is known for. Those gold accents are everywhere. You've got them in the wheels, so that way you can see where the valve stem is. You can see the gold in the grille. You can see the gold even on the interior, but I'm going to cover that in just a second. But my favorite part of the Tremor is going to be the new grille. And the reason is because they found a way to integrate dual off-road light bars directly into the grille. And if you didn't know what you're looking for, you wouldn't even notice it. It's integrated very, very well. And I also love the split gate system on the new Expedition Tremor because it's got the black upper part and it's got a body matched lower part. But talking about the off-road capabilities of the new Tremor, you've got a locking rear differential. You've got some advanced off-road technology, and this thing happens to be my favorite interior so far. I mean, you've got a solid blacked out interior, gold stitching everywhere, and you still get the best instrument cluster in the game, in my opinion. But my question to you is, which trim level do you like the best? Comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to order your F1. And don't forget to order your new Expedition at Invoice pricing by calling the number on the screen. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Peace.